State health officials say what we do this Thanksgiving will determine what next month will look like. Health leaders suggest keeping gatherings under 10 people or celebrate virtually. If you are getting together with family, they recommend separating tables and eating outdoors if possible, and assign one person to make the food.
If we want to live to see another Thanksgiving, and I do, that it may mean stepping back this Thanksgiving and limiting the number of people and some of the things that we do.
And health leaders say COVID vaccines will be given to states on a per capita basis. They believe Alabama will get no more than 112,000 doses in the first round.